Welcome back. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant anxiety, let's unravel the powerful insights from the book, Worry Free from Within. Understanding the source of our worries is the first step toward liberation, as the author reveals that many of our anxieties are self-induced, tied to habitual thought patterns. The journey begins by recognizing that worry often stems from our focus on uncertainties outside our control, leading to an endless cycle of stress. The book urges us to differentiate between what we can influence and what we cannot, empowering readers to manage their concerns effectively. Another gem of knowledge in this book is the concept of mindfulness. By training ourselves to be present, we reclaim our peace from the distracting clutches of past regrets and future anxieties. Daily practices of deep breathing and meditation serve as anchors in the storm of worries, helping us cultivate a calm mind. These simple yet profound techniques invite tranquility into our lives, allowing us to face each day with renewed clarity. The book dives deeper by addressing the negative thought patterns that often plague our minds. Many of us have default modes of worrying, which can be reprogrammed. Through thought reframing exercises, we learn to turn negative thoughts into uplifting affirmations. This gradual shift cultivates resilience, enabling us to tackle life's challenges with a brighter perspective. Our struggles become opportunities for growth rather than stumbling blocks, fostering a sense of strength in adversity. Gratitude also plays an essential role in diminishing worry. The author emphasizes the transformative power of gratitude, encouraging readers to keep a journal celebrating the small joys of life. By focusing on what's going well, we gradually shift our mindset away from fear and anxiety towards appreciation and contentment. In essence, Worry Free from Within is not just a guide, it's a manual for mastering inner calm. While external circumstances can be unpredictable, our reactions can be molded. The book provides us with simple yet profound techniques to transition from a state of persistent worry to one of acceptance and serenity. If these insights resonate with you, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share this invaluable knowledge with someone you care about. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope to see you next time.